In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up messages in iCloud on your iPhone. It's a straightforward process that takes about 5 minutes, allowing you to keep your messages synced across all your Apple devices seamlessly. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll start by opening up the Settings app on your iPhone. You can usually find it on your home screen, and it's represented by an icon that looks like a gear. Once you've got settings open, the next step is to navigate to iCloud. To get there, tap on your name at the very top of the settings menu. This will take you into your Apple ID settings. In this section, you'll see an option labeled iCloud. Tap on it to proceed. Now, once you're in the iCloud settings, we need to make sure that messages is turned on. This will enable the syncing feature we're looking for. To do this, you may need to tap show all if it's not already showing the complete list of apps. This step is necessary because you want to make sure you're not missing any crucial settings hidden from view. After you've tapped on show all, scroll through the list until you find messages. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Simply toggle this switch to the ON position. This action will start syncing your messages with iCloud. Be patient as your device begins this process. The time it takes can vary depending on how many messages you have. As soon as you activate the toggle, messages will start syncing across all the devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID and have iCloud messages enabled. This step ensures that if you delete a message on your iPhone, it disappears from your other devices too, keeping everything neat and synced. Now, a crucial part of synchronizing your messages with iCloud is ensuring you have enough storage space. If you find yourself running low on iCloud space, don't worry. You can easily check your storage status and manage it right from your iPhone. Head over to settings again, tap on your Apple ID, select iCloud, and then manage storage. Here you have the option to either upgrade your storage plan or free up some space by deleting unnecessary files or backups. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up messages in iCloud, ensuring that all your conversations are safe, secure, and synchronized across your Apple ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep your settings in check to avoid any issues with space or syncing in the future. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.